Hi, my name is Elina. Today I'm going to talk about the topic is educational issues related to homework. The homework policy statement is undertaken by an New South Wales Government of Education. Francis states the liberating and constraining effects of mandatory state requirements and Australia's national quality assurance system on teachers' professional autonomy. For the purpose of the department's homework policy, homework is any task given to the student by their teachers that they are expected to complete outside of the class time in order to achieve a state learning objective. Homework can help children develop better studies habits, form a good learning attitude, make children more curious and more willing to explore, and also improve children's ability to solve problems independently. The homework policy statement for children is schools in consultation with their communities are required to develop school homework policy relevant to the needs of their children. School homework policy must be communicated to staff, children, students, parents, and caregivers, particularly at the time of children enrollment. Homework will be educationally beneficial and will meet the realistic expectation of children, teachers, parents, and caregivers. Schools, family, and communities all interact with children in an ethical manner. Homework should also be part of school and home life. Homework can also tire students out physically and mentally, making them feel worse about their study. Homework turns family into connect school, parents become teachers' assistants, and children have less free time to work on their own. Rules requiring everyone to do their homeworks at school are unfair to family, teachers, and students. The act of assigning homework is actually a breakthrough in the basic ethical relationship, which means that schools not only have the right to educate students in school time, but also have the right to educate, restrain, and control students who are not in school time. Through the act of assigning homework, schools and teachers break through the spaces and time constraints of their own educational behavior, and the campus are no longer the insurmountable boundary of schools and teachers' educational activity, exposing homework ethical hurts school and teachers. Teachers have many responsibilities and can solve all social problems by assigning homework. Homework adds to study load, parent-child conflict, family stress, fear and of study. A new approach to homework education, changing homework policy to be more ethical and suitable for citizenship for early Australian children. According to the state parties demonstrate, children who are able to form their party's own views shall be granted the right to express those views freely in all matters affecting the children, and the views of the child shall be given due weight in accordance with the age and maturity of children. Child will have their own knowledge and ability to make decisions based on their own idea. Children have their own right to decide whether or not to complete their homework, so policy is about need to change. Teachers must importantly be in children's share and act according to the children's view. Teachers should let child make a fair choices and be justice, feel what children need, and allow child to have extra spaces to promote hobbies. This can provide students with a lot of time to turn their interests into motivation and drive innovations. And there's my references. Thank you.